This evening we are at the Werner Enterprises Headquarters here in Omaha, Nebraska, and we're going to give you a detailed walking tour of the driver's lounge. Now, if you like traveling with us and you haven't done so yet, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you like the video, hit that thumbs up at some point. And now let's enter through these doors and walk the hallowed halls of trucking. You will be amazed at the size and the amenities of this driver's lounge. Hope you got your walking shoes on. Let's go. And don't slip. To play that.
Yeah, I like this one.
Is it free or do you have to pay?
Free.
Free? Endless video games. Oh my goodness. Well, we'll leave him there and look around a little more. There's a hair salon. Closed right now. Wow. That's where we came in. Big gym. Oh, nice. Wow. That's nice. You can still feel like you're on the road. That's funny. This way. Footsteps. I did. I heard you doing the secret whistle. Yes. It's right there, that sign.
You know all the windows at the store there?
I did.
Did you get some hot water?
No, because I forgot to bring my bottle.
I got this.
Aw, that's not enough for my hot water bottles. What? No.
There's a red one.
Kevin wants a new hat.
Look at that black one there.
Kevin wants a hat.
Don't get the ones with the nylon mesh at the back.
No.
They don't last one wash in the
No.
machine. Look at that black one there.
Mm-hmm.
There's blankies.
Mm-hmm.
Boy trucks. There's a lot of them.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Good stores.
Driver's lounge. Oh, some recycling. How wonderful is that? Well, this is very exciting because now we have been to all the terminals except for the 2 in Florida, and actually they're closing Lakeland down. So we have 1 to go. When will we get to see Lake City? Wow, it goes down far, huh? Hey, where's the cafe you were talking about? Is that it?
Oh, no. It's outside.
Hey. So, what's it like being at headquarters?
Oh, it's just fabulous. You can get your hair and your nails done. You can play free video games or pool. You can shower. You can work out. Did you see the gym?
Oh my God, that's a nice
Extensive
gym. You can go shopping.
You can go shopping at the store. It's like a department store in there. There's electronics and stuff too, besides apparel and toys and kids stuff. I think I got my backpack here. I got you a nice hat.
Yes, you did. I like my hat. And you can go to the museum, and there's a track.
Yeah.
So, nice
Picnic
place.
grounds,
Nice place.
service your truck, wash
Yeah.
your truck.
Well, thanks for the tour, Kevin.
Yeah.
It was a quick tour,
It's a self-guided tour.
sort of, and I did 1 out of 12 that I might have made a mile. I did 1/12 of a mile. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Got a little peek here at the Omaha, Nebraska headquarters of Werner Enterprises.
Want to play air hockey?
Let's close out the video first, hon.
Okay.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Put your comments and questions below. Are you a Werner driver? Have you been here before? What do you think? How does it compare to your company's terminals if you work for another company? And if you don't work for a company, hey, would you join Werner so you can come to this terminal? Let us know below. And hit that subscribe button. Ow, my eye! And the notification bell if you want to keep traveling with us, discovering the roads of America and learning about trucking. With that, we wish you a great night with love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye.
Bye.
Hey. Crazy guy. Headquarters. Nice. Yeah.